Hello, my name is Kieran, and this is my day 6 of my math vlogs. Today we learned the properties of parallelograms and quadrilaterals. However, today we learned how to translate the two-column proof into an essay, which is the actual way on how to analyze a figure. It got just gradually harder, really. From there, we were given homework of having a figure, and with that figure, there were no given. There was no help within the table, and we just had to start from scratch. We also had a problem where the entire figure was composed of nothing but variables. And with that, I think this is quite hard because then there are no given numbers, so then I can't tell which is which. But then using the postulates and the rules, basically knowing what corresponds to what, then that really just helped me with everything, and I really had to go through my notes. So I think how I would improve tomorrow would be, number one, I actually practice more, because if the blank slate of everything, of the statement and the reasons, were just nothing there, then, and if that caught me off guard, then it just goes to show I need more practice. I need to know the properties and postulates. I need to know why one thing is one thing. Like, I need to know angle, side angle, congruency, and I also need to know how the alternate interior angles contribute to the figure. It's these little things that make up the entire thing. I just realized, actually, that it's all subjective. Not one figure is like another, which is pretty much like what I said last vlog. It's like people, it's like situations. You may have constances. There may be the same concept and why one thing is related to another thing. Like a problem may have the similarities with another problem. But then again, in the end of the day, they're both two different things, which take different types of how to analyze it, and each take a different amount of time. For me to improve, I just need to be more attentive to it. I have to learn, like what I said before, the common principles of how everything would go. And number 3, I have to be more analytical. I have to really take it step by step, like I said before, because then I wouldn't be able to answer anything. So yeah, thank you for listening.